That was quite a punch. Unless I'm mistaken, you've gotten slightly stronger. Oh, I see. Hello? I know you can hear me! You're free to join me down here if you want! Look, he's just angsty, that's all. Probably because I became a demon after him, and still got promoted before him. I'd be upset too if I were in his shoes. Wait, Lord Akaza! Hey, I wasn't done talking. Since I was the one who brought Gyutaro in, how can I atone for this embarrassment? Let's see, I can gouge an eye out. Come on, cut him some slack. He's just messing around. You know as well as I do, if he were to challenge us, he'd only embarrass himself. See you around, Lord Kokushibo. Bye-bye.